Myself, Professor S.P. Singla from RS classes. Today we will take topic numericals on projectile motion. Horizontal, horizontal projection. So the main formulae of horizontal projection are equation of path y is equal to 1 by 2 gx square upon u square, then is time of flight t is equal to under the root two h upon g, then horizontal range r, this is u under the root 2h upon g, then is velocity at any time v is equal to u square plus g square t square under root, and direction tangent beta is equal to gt upon u. Then is velocity on hitting the ground, v is equal to u square plus 2gh under root, and its direction with horizontal tangent beta under root 2gh upon u. So these are the various formulas which are to be used in horizontal projection. So this our example one is the projectile is fired horizontally with a velocity of 49 meter per second. U is equal to 49 meter per second from the top of a tower. Its height is given 1960 meters. Find the distance of target from the foot of the tower. Find the distance of target from the foot of the tower. So G we shall take 9.8 meters per second. The first part is the distance of target from the foot of tower. That is, this is tower. Particle is projected like this. It will hit the ground like this. So we have to find this distance, the distance of target. This is target where it hits from the foot of tower. This is foot of tower. This is to be calculated. But this is R range. क्वेश्चन गिवन है, वेलोसिटी जो है वो 49 मीटर पर सेकंड से प्रोजेक्ट किया है और हाइट ऑफ टावर दिया 1960 मीटर्स. आर का फार्मूला है यू अंडर द रूट 2h upon g. So u is given 49 under the root 2h, 2 into 1960 upon 9.8, that is 49 under the root 2 into 1960 into 10 upon 98. तो ये 98 से कैंसिल करके आ जाएगा 20. This gives out 49 under the root 400, that is 49 into 20, which is 0. This much meters, that is 980 meters from the foot of the tower. And the next part is, second part है the velocity with which the body strikes the ground. Velocity with which body strikes the ground, v is equal to u square plus under the root 2gh, that is 49 square plus 2 into 9.8 into 1960 under the root. This is equal to nine square is 2401 plus, and this is decimal 98 हो जाएगा, 98 into 2, 196 into 196 under root. A better method of solving it, this is keep it as it is. Now this is 196. 196 is 49 into 4, 49 into 4 under root. This is 49 square plus 49 into 49, 49 into 4 whole square. तो 49 square is common, उसका स्क्वायर रूट आ जाएगा 49, ब्रैकेट के नीचे क्या आ जाएगा 1 plus 4 square, that is 49 under the root 17 meters per second. You can further calculate it in decimals. वेलोसिटी पूछी है तो डायरेक्शन निकालनी पड़ेगी. व्हाट इज टेंजेंट बीटा? 2gh under root upon u, that is 2 9.8 1960 upon u. U is given 49 meters per second. तो दिस इज इक्वल टू, इसको सिंप्लीफाई करोगे, जीरो यहाँ पे कंपनसेट हो जाएगी, ये आ जाएगा 196 इंटू 196 अंडर रूट, दैट इज 196 अपॉन 49, इसका स्क्वायर रूट आ जाएगा 196, विच इज इक्वल टू 4. व्हाट इज बीटा? बीटा इज टेंजेंट इनवर्स 4. Then is the third part. Third part is the velocity of the body after 5 seconds. Velocity after 5 seconds. So to calculate velocity after 5 seconds, I just told you the formula. Velocity at any time is v is equal to u plus u square plus g square t square. So velocity at any time is v is equal to u square plus g square t square under the root. This is equal to u square 49 square plus g 9.8 into t is 5 whole square under the root. So this is 49 square. This also comes out 49 multiplying. तो which is 49 बाहर आ जाएगा 1 plus 1 that is 49 under root 2 meters per second. And what is the direction of this velocity with horizontal? Tangent beta gt upon u. G is 9.8, t is 5 upon u 49, that is 49 upon 49 is equal to 1. Tangent beta is equal to 1. So what is beta? 45 degree with horizontal. So its direction will be 45 degree with horizontal. Now let us take the second example. An object is thrown between two tall buildings, 180 meter apart. So there are two tall buildings like this. The distance between these two buildings is 180 meter. The object is thrown horizontally from a window 55 meter above the ground from one building through a window 10.9 meters above the ground in the other building. An object is thrown from a window which is 55 meter high from one building. This object is thrown like this, and it enters a window in the other building which is at a height of 10.9 meters above the ground. Find the speed of projection. So we have to find u. In this case we have to find u. In this case, what is h? H is the difference between the height of two windows. This is h. And what is this difference in height? This is 55 minus 10.9 minus 10.9, which comes out 44.1 meter. And this distance between the two buildings, what is this? This is horizontal range. We are given r. R is given 180 meters, and G is also given in the question. G is given 9.8 meters per second. Now we have to find u. For u, we are given r. U under the root 2h upon g. R is given 180 meters. U we have to find 2h. H is given 44.1 upon g. G is 9.8. That is 441 upon 98. This decimal will cancel. 2 से किया 49 और ये कैंसिल करके आ जाएगा 9. 180 इज इक्वल टू 9 का स्क्वायर रूट इज 3u. तो कैंसिल करके आ गया u अंडर द रूट 9. तो व्हाट इज u? 180 अपॉन 3, 60 मीटर्स पर सेकेंड. ठीक है, तो दिस इज आंसर. टू बिल्डिंग्स, one is this much 55 meter high, other is 10.9 meters high, So an object is thrown from window in one building so that it enters the window in the second building at a height of 10.9. So what is the height covered by the object? That is h. 55 by the 10.9. U we have to calculate. What is the distance between the two buildings? That is the horizontal range. G is given. Apply the formula R is equal to U under root 2h upon G. So we know U. We have to calculate U. We know h. G and R. Put करो. Answer is there. Next, example 3. A body is thrown horizontally from the top of a tower and strikes the ground after 2 seconds at an angle of 45 degree with the horizontal. So a body is thrown like this. It strikes the ground. तो ग्राउंड पे स्ट्राइक कर रही है, बट इज एंगल एट विच इट स्ट्राइक्स द ग्राउंड. आई एम ड्राइंग अ फिगर अगेन. ऐसे स्ट्राइक कर रही है आगे ग्राउंड पे ऐसे. तो बट इज दिस एंगल 45 डिग्री. ठीक है. तो ये गिवन यू द फॉर्मूलास. Velocity on hitting the ground is this much and tangent beta is this much. In this question, we are given a body is thrown horizontally from the top of a tower, strikes the ground after 2 seconds. Time is given at an angle of 45 degree with horizontal. But is beta? This tangent beta is given 45 degree. Find the height of the tower and the speed with which the body was thrown. If G is equal to 9.8 meters per second square. We have to find U and H. So U and H are to be calculated. Now first, time is given T. Formula for time is under root 2h upon G. So what is time? 2 seconds. 2h. Sorry. 2h upon G. G is 9.8. इसको स्क्वायर कर दो. 4 is equal to 2h upon 9.8. So what is h? 4 into 9.8 upon 2. That is 19.6 meters. H आ गया. Height of the building is 19.6 meters. Then again we are given tangent beta. Beta is given. Tangent beta is under root 2gh upon U. Tangent 45 degree is equal to under root 2gh. 2 into 9.8 into h. 19.6 under root upon U. This is tangent 45 degree is 1. 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करोगे. This is 19.6 multiplied by 19.6 upon U. Cross multiply. U is equal to what is 19.6 into 19.6 under root 19.6 meters per second. So we have calculated H and U. Now the next question is, a ball is thrown horizontally from the top of a tower. A ball is thrown horizontally from the top of a tower with a speed of 50 meters per second. U is equal to Find the velocity and position at the end of 3 seconds. t is equal to 3 seconds पे उसकी पोजीशन निकालनी है और वेलोसिटी निकालनी है. तो what is velocity at t is equal to 3 seconds? Apply formula for velocity at any time, that is u square plus g square t square under the root is equal to u square 50 square plus g 9.8 into t 3 square under root. I am leaving the calculation on you. सॉल्व करके इतने मीटर क्या आ जाएगा पर सेकेंड. दिस इज द वेलोसिटी एंड व्हाट इज द डायरेक्शन ऑफ वेलोसिटी? टेंजेंट बीटा gt upon u. g is 9.8 into 3 upon 50. So this gives you the direction. And the next point is in this position at the end of 3 seconds. How to find position? Position के लिए पहले x निकालना है. What is x? What is the x distance? X is equal to ut. U is 50 multiplied by 3. This is 150 meters. Y is half gt square. That is 1 by 2 9.8 into 3 square. This is कैंसिल करके 4.9 into 9 44.1 meters. So this gives the position of the particle. That is its x distance 150 meters and y distance is 44.1 meters. You can write position xy is equal to 150 meter 44.1 meter. That's all the questions.